Adding Google Fonts to Logic CMX. So first thing you're going to do is log into the Logic CMX admin and then navigate to Google Fonts or fonts.google.com in your browser. And here you can, find a font family that you would like to add. So I'm going to try this Honk font. So we'll click on that. And now you have to enter the style. This particular font just has one style. So when I add this, you're going to see that your little shopping bag is going to highlight. So now we've got this red dot there. We see in the side, if this was closed, just open this up. And the method we're going to use, you're not going to embed all of this code. You really just need to grab the URL. Everything from HTTPS to the font name. So I'll copy that. Now let's go back to Logic, go to Settings and Font Management. All of these fonts here are Google fonts that come preloaded in your website, your Logic website. We can scroll all the way down to the bottom and we have Add New Font. So you need to type in the name of the font exactly as it is in the URL. And then we can paste this URL. And that's all you do. And then you save. There's also the ability you can upload a file, and it's the same method. You put in the name and upload the Google font or other font file here. So, but we prefer the web font method of entering the URL. Now we'll save this, and you're going to see it says fonts updated. So if we scroll all the way to the bottom of the font list, Honk now shows up, and it's ready to be used. You can assign it as an H1 through H6 tag, body text, link text, nav, anywhere from website settings. And that's how you add a Google font to Logic.